Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create knee pads on Dress to Impress. It's not going to look perfect. So you're going to need these jeans to be the knee pad. You're just going to color it whatever color you want the knee pad to be. And then I'm just going to go to these leggings. Maybe I'll put on like a skirt first. I'll maybe put on a different skirt. Just try to find one where it doesn't look like this, or maybe even color the same, like the skirt the same color as your knee pad. Then you're going to select these leggings, and then you're going to toggle it to the third toggle. I might change the color of that later. And you're going to color these leggings the same as your skin. I'm just trying to find a skirt that covers that. So let's do this one and take off the layer. Okay, you still can see that, so I might turn on the layer again. But you're going to select these leggings and have it the same color as your skin tone, like that. So those look like knee pads. Just mix and match with whichever skirt suits it and hides it the best. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.